I just found 5 free certifications that are actually recognized by recruiters, the kind that can give your resume small but real edge when applying for remote jobs. You've applied to 50 remote jobs, maybe 100. You tweak your resume, you change your headline, you try again, and still nothing works. Now you're probably thinking, maybe I need something extra, something that makes recruiters stop scrolling. The last thing you want is to spend hundreds of dollars on some random certificate that might not even matter. That's exactly what we are fixing today. These 5 certifications are all online, beginner friendly, and free. Stick around because number 3 is the one most people skip and it's quietly powerful. Let's get into it. Now before we start, let's be real for a second. A certification alone won't magically land you a remote job. It's not a golden ticket, but it's a credibility booster, a way to show recruiters you are actively learning, growing, and serious about your skills. It also helps your resume beat those automated filters that scan for keywords. I went through dozens, checked for what's current in 2025, and narrowed it down to 5 that actually help you stand out. Start number 1, Google Digital Marketing and Analytics. Now let's start with an easy win. Google's free certification through Skillshop. These include things like Digital Marketing Fundamentals and Google Analytics. They are free, credible, and directly tied to one of the biggest tech brands in the world. This won't matter if you're trying to land remote jobs in social media, marketing, content creation, or virtual assistant roles where you undo basic analytics. I've literally seen job descriptions that say Google Analytics certification preferred. The best part, you can complete most of them in a week or 2. And once you are done, Google gives you an official certificate you can link directly on your LinkedIn. It's not flashy, but it signals that you understand how marketing data works, and that's gold for online jobs. Start number 2, HubSpot Inbound or Content Marketing. If Google certification teaches you tools, HubSpot teaches you strategy. The HubSpot Academy offers completely free certifications in inbound marketing, email marketing, and content strategy. What's great here is how practical the lessons are. You will learn how to attract customers, design simple funnels, and build campaigns, virtually all skills that pop up in remote marketing and virtual assistant roles. I've met plenty of remote workers who got their first clients after adding HubSpot badge to their profile. Each course takes about 10 to 20 hours and you can complete it at your own pace. It's a kind of cert that looks good on paper and gives you language to talk about your work more confidently during interviews. Cert number 3, IBM SkillBuild. Now this is the underdog. IBM offers something called SkillBuild and it's completely free. You can earn digital credentials in fields like cybersecurity, AI, data analysis, and project management. And because IBM is a recognizable name, recruiters take it more seriously than random online certificates. The modules are designed with employability in mind and not just theories. You can literally start with beginner tracker, finish a course in a few days, and display a verified badge on your LinkedIn. It's majorly useful if you're going after tech adjacent roles, not necessarily coding, but things like data entry, tech support, or project management. You can even use it to pivot into higher paying tech parts later. Fourth cert is FreeCodeCamp Web Development. If you're leaning towards web development, FreeCodeCamp is one of the best free options online. Their certifications in responsive web design or JavaScript is actually respected because you build real projects while learning. The cert itself isn't fancy, but what matters is that your progress is public because employees can literally see the code you wrote to earn it, and that's rare for a free platform. It's not a quick one, you will need some dedication, but if you want remote jobs in tech or freelance platforms like Upwork, FreeCodeCamp structure helps you prove your skills instead of just claiming them. And Cert 5, Alison Remote Work Skills. The last one is a bit different. It's not about test skills, it's about showing that you can work remotely well. Alison offers a free remote work best practices certification that covers communication, productivity, and collaboration tools. It sounds simple, but it can be surprisingly helpful for entry-level applicants. When you're applying for remote positions, companies want to know you understand time zones, asynchronous communication, and how to manage yourself without supervision. Adding a certification like this gives you a quick credibility boost. It tells employers you already understand how to thrive remotely. It's small, but it adds polish to your profile. Now, if you want to go beyond this, check out Class Central. They maintain an updated list of free certificate programs from places like Coursera, EDX, and FutureLearn. Some platforms even offer free certificates if you apply for financial aid. It's a great rabbit hole to explore when you are ready for more advanced options. Now, I know someone is going to ask, do free certifications really matter? Honestly, it depends on how you use them. A random badge on a blank resume won't do much. But if you combine one of the certifications with visible efforts, like a small project or portfolio piece, it shows initiative, and initiative still stand out. Free doesn't mean low quality anymore. It just means you're smart enough to use what's available. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to dive into what actually works in remote job hunting. No fluff, just real tools. So let me know in the comment which of these you've taken or you are taking next.